In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple business accounts Revolut. What we're really doing here is linking your existing Revolut business accounts so you can move between them quickly without logging in and out each time. This is perfect if you manage several companies or entities and want a smoother workflow. Linking is about convenience, not combining anything, so think of it as putting multiple dashboards under one roof. Before we start, a quick reassurance. Linking accounts won't merge or share any banking data. Each account keeps its own balances, cards, beneficiaries, users, and permissions. You're simply creating a shortcut to switch between them from the same interface. Let's set it up. Begin on Home in your Revolut Business app or web dashboard. If you're on the web, look to the top right corner and click your account name. On mobile, tap your profile in the top left, then tap your account name. From there, choose Link Account. You'll be prompted to sign in to the other business account you want to link. Use the credentials for that account and complete any security checks. If you manage multiple organizations, repeat this process for each one you want to add. Once your accounts are linked, switching is easy. Just click or tap your account name again and select the one you want to view. You'll see the interface refresh to that company's workspace, making it simple to approve payments, review transactions, or manage users across entities without starting a new session. A couple of important limitations to keep in mind. You can't link a personal Revolut account with a business account. They're kept separate for security and compliance. Also, you can't link or switch between external bank accounts and your Revolut business account through the app. The linking feature is only for Revolut Business to Revolut Business. Here are a few tips to make this smooth. Make sure you have the right access on each business account you plan to link. If you're not an admin or authorized user, you may need approval. Keep your security settings up to date, including two-factor authentication, since you'll be moving between multiple organizations. If you manage many entities, give each account a clear name so you always know which one you're in before sending payments. That's it. You've linked your Revolut business accounts and can now switch between them in a couple of taps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more streamlined way to manage multiple businesses in Revolut.